Morning, everybody. We're here to talk about the S&P 500, just to let you know and whatnot. So basically, this is a 60-minute chart, and you can very clearly see how they have walked that up. Now, as of right now, the S&P is down big time, and we're right around the uh, the area of where 29.27 was a high, and 28.73 is a low right now. That means that the S&P 500 is tanking 48 points, or minus 1.62%. We kept everyone out of the way of this, and a lot of people were buying into this, and the options market had totally changed in the pricing, which was a manipulation on both sides, the call side, the put side, and you could see how it's going to end up. And you can see down here where my trend line is, right around here, 28.31, that's where we're going to go. And we're sitting right here on this support level at 28.73. This selling will continue, and it will continue into next week as well, as the dog days of August are going to be gone. And that means that the pricing in these options are going to change tremendously, meaning that both sides of the market, they're inflated in dollar terms, in dollar value and whatnot. So you have to know when to be safe. And we bring it to you live. And we do this so that it can help people out. People like you. People that are watching the video right now. You don't have to get slammed. Patience and discipline equals success. And it does. So this is a 60-minute bar. So we do know that the high was 29.27. We know that we're hitting down here at 28.73. That means that the sellers will continue to come in. And this is going to be part one on Expiration Friday, 8/23, Jackson Hole meeting. Central bankers from around the world. Everybody wants a sugar high on lower interest rates. Well, guess what? There's a lot of problems. They never went away. All they did is, like we told everyone, they jacked it up and sell into the rally. They jacked it up, sell into the rally. They jacked it up, sell into the rally. And if you don't, now here it is right over here. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. Once again, 702-685-0772. Let's get you in that free 5-day trial and get you rolling. One of the things that we will tell you is that when we were over here at these lows, which was back on what day was that? Yeah, that's where they took this off on 8/15. And they put in that low, they rallied it on up, then they gapped it up, and it kept coming down, it consolidated, it gapped up. We had a big sell down yesterday, they brought it right back in line. Today, we hit the high, and now we're going to go lower. And as a matter of fact, we are going to go lower, so I'll just go ahead and draw this trend line. And first of all, we're going to take this one down here right now. And then I'm going to set an alert on the S&P. So I'm going to set an alert right here, activate it. So basically, as these support levels get broke, there's a lot more downside room. And I can say this, if you really want to know the truth, the overall real support on this S&P 500 index is right around 2650, and it really is. But it'll have some pit stops along the way, and you can believe what I say. We're down about 50 points right now, or minus 1.61%. And as we continue to go out through the trading day, the Dow is down 405 points. The NASDAQ 100 is down 162 points. NASDAQ Composite is down 155 points. The Russell, the RUT 2000 is down 26 points and whatnot. And the bear funds are starting to come up right now. So when we do find that bottom and whatnot, we'll pick off some trades off of that bottom, and as we do get an intraday bounce, once again, it was all about sell into it, and it was. You can go back over here, which was on 813 right here, and you could see it started with that gap down, and we called the bottom there. Then they came back in and kept gapping the market up. That means the algorithmic algos, the machines were bidding these stocks up, and they continue to bid them up. So you got machine versus machine, not human versus human. And we're not done going lower. And just stand by. 2 hour tape, 8:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is how it's working. This is the way it's going to keep going.